Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, what you say? I ain't here to conversate, baby.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys, and today I'll be doing a half up, half down ponytail on a lace frontal wig.
I remember the stories you told me, baby girl, I can't forget it. All them things that you told me not to do, and I still went and did it.
My wig is freshly washed, so I'm going to begin by giving it a nice blowout and silk press.
You say that you love me, you say that you hate me, you say it's the same, you say you can't trust me, cause I never change, got me going insane, I wanna be next to you, got me all on your page, see the pain in your face, I don't know what I'ma do, I done caught me a case, lawyers say keep her away, see the pain in your eyes, when we start talking you cry, I ain't nothing like the other guys, they can't replace the vibe. You say I'm toxic, find a new nigga and talk shit.
Once my hair is blow dried straight, I'm using Proclaim glossing polish to silk press my hair.
I need some help, somebody come stop me. I think I'm stalking, somebody talking, like, boy you done fucked up, you got some dumb love. I can't hold no grudge, I'm the one in love. I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, she don't wanna listen to no more of my lies. She keep on saying I'm wasting her time. She said she done, she made up her mind. I don't even know why it's running through mine. She said she love me, she know that I want her. She don't want to listen to no more.
Going in section by section to make sure that my frontal lays super flat.
I keep on telling her things I'ma change. She can't believe it cause I stay the same. I keep on putting her through all this pain. She try to act like she ain't do the same. You broke my heart, girl, admit it. Tell the whole world how you did it. Ain't gon' need act like the bitches. Ain't even gon' tell all your business. I'm way too solid. I'ma let you talk shit. I'ma let you off shit. Heart broke, I know you hard as shit. Yeah. I ain't even off shit. I ain't even gon' talk shit. Heart broke, go hard shit. I remember the stories you told me, baby girl, I can't forget it. All them things that you told me not to do, and I still went and did it. You say that you love me, you hate me, I can't even tell the difference. Would've knew that a little more attention would've made all the difference. You say that you love me, you say that you hate me, you say it's the same, you say you can't trust me, cause I never change, got me going insane, I wanna be next to you, got me all on your page, see the pain in your face, I don't know what I'ma do, I done caught me a case, lawyers say keep her away, see the pain in your eyes.
I'm using my Sutra flat iron and my Laila wand curlers to hide the tracks where my frontal and my bundles meet.
Talk shit. I find a bitch out the gram and I beat the walls in, but still I keep calling, like, please do not block me. I need some help, somebody come stop me. I think I'm stalking, somebody talking, like, boy you done fucked up, you got some dumb love. I can't hold no grudge, I'm the one in love. I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, she don't want to listen to no more of my lies. She keep on saying I'm wasting her time.
The key to having a flat frontal is using a wand curler or a hot comb to lay your frontal down.
She know that I want her. She don't want to listen to no more of my lies. She said she done and I'm wasting her time. She said she done and she made up her mind. I don't even know why it's running through mine. I keep on telling her things I'ma change. She can't believe it cause I stay the same. I keep on putting her through all this pain. She try to act like she ain't do the same. You broke my heart, girl, admit it. Tell the whole world how you did it.
Now I'm going section by section and laying the hair in the direction I want it to lay to achieve a flat ponytail.
You off shit. Heart broke, I know you hard as shit. Yeah. I ain't even off shit. I ain't even gon' talk shit. Heart broke, go hard shit. I remember the stories you told me, baby girl, I can't forget it. All them things that you told me not to do, and I still went and did it. You say that you love me, you hate me, I can't even tell the difference. Would've knew that a little more attention would've made all the difference. You say that you love me, you say that you hate me, you say it's the same, you say you can't trust me, cause I never change. Got me going insane, I wanna be next to you. Got me all on your page, see the pain in your face, I don't know what I'ma do. I done call me a case, lawyers say keep her away. See the pain in your eyes, when we start talking you cry. I ain't nothing like the other guys, they can't replace the vibe. You say I'm toxic, find a new nigga and talk shit. I find a bitch off the gram and I beat the walls in, but still I keep calling, like, please do not block me. I need some help, somebody come stop me. I think I'm stalking, somebody talking.
I'm using my rat tail comb to tease the hair in the ponytail to give the hair a little bit of volume.
I'm the one in love, I'm just so young and dumb.
I also use my Got To Be Glued freeze spray to take care of any flyaways.
She don't want to listen to no more my lies. She keep on saying I'm wasting her time.
I'm using 91% alcohol to clean my skin before applying my wig.
She know that I want her.
Now I'm going in with my Nude Cap, and to tack it down, I'll be using Got To Be Glued freeze spray.
Know why it's running through mine. I keep on telling her things I'ma change. She can't believe it cause I stay the same. I keep on putting her through all this pain. She try to act like she ain't do the same. You broke my heart, girl, admit it. Tell the whole world how you did it. Ain't gon' need act like the bitches. Ain't even gon' tell all your business. I'm way too solid. I'ma let you talk shit. I'ma let you off shit. Heart broke, I know you hard as shit. Yeah. I ain't even off shit. I ain't even gon' talk shit. Heart broke, go hard shit.
Once your cap is completely dry, you can go ahead and cut off the excess cap.
I remember the stories you told me, baby girl, I can't forget it.
Today I'm also going to be applying my wig using Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and all I do is spray it on my skin, lay my wig down, and then blow dry it on cold air.
You say it's the same, you say you can't trust me, cause I never change. Got me going insane, I wanna be next to you. Got me all on your page, see the pain in your face, I don't know what I'ma do. I done call me a case, lawyers say keep her away. See the pain in your eyes, when we start talking you cry. I ain't nothing like the other guys, they can't replace the vibe. You say I'm toxic, find a new nigga and talk shit. I find a bitch off the gram and I beat the walls in, but still I keep calling, like, please do not block me. I need some help, somebody come stop me. I think I'm stalking, somebody talking, like, boy you done fucked up.
To get a more precise hold, it's also best to work in sections.
I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, I'm just so young and dumb, I think she had enough. Yeah, she don't wanna listen to no more my lies. She keep on saying I'm wasting her time. She said she done, she made up her mind. I don't even know why it's running through mine. She said she love me. She know that I want her. She don't want to listen to no more my lies. She said she done and I'm wasting her time. She said she done and she made up her mind. I don't even know why it's running through mine. I keep on telling her things I'ma change. She can't believe it cause I stay the same. I keep on putting her through all this pain. She try to act like she ain't do the same. You broke my heart, girl, admit it. Tell the whole world how you did it. Ain't gon' need act like the bitches. Ain't even gon' tell all your business.
I'm using 91% alcohol to get rid of any of the excess Got To Be Glued freeze spray that may be left behind. For my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel.
of the stories you told me, baby girl, I can't forget it. All them things that you told me not to do, and I still went and did it. You say that you love me, you hate me, I can't even tell the difference. Would've knew that a little more attention would've made all the difference. You say that you love me, you say that you hate me, you say it's the same, you say you can't trust me, cause I never change. Got me going insane, I wanna be next to you. Got me all on your page, see the pain in your face, I don't know what I'ma do. I done caught me a case, lawyers say keep her away. See the pain in your eyes, when we start talking you cry. I ain't nothing like the other guys, they can't replace the vibe.
Baby, I don't play. From New York, causing trouble in LA. Rowdy, Tennessee. If I don't send for you, best not come for me.